Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cici Ambarwati. I'm from SCP of Chemistry Education. In this video, I will explain about material objective test. For the first is introduction about objective tests. Objective tests are a type of test design with predetermined answers so that they can be scored in a consistent and objective manner. These tests are usually in the form of multiple choice, true false, matching test, or short answer. Usually there are more subjective test questions and it lasts 60 minutes for 30 until 40 questions given. And the next material is objective test characteristic. The first is definite answer. Each question has one clear correct answer. And then consistent assessment, not influenced by the subjectivity of the assessor. And then efficient in correction, can be checked easily, including using a computer. And the last is measuring various cognitive levels, can be designed to measure basic understanding to in-depth analysis. The next material is types of objective tests. The first is multiple choice. Questions with several answer options, one of which is correct. And then true false. Determine whether a statement is true or false. And the third is matching test. Connect two groups of paired information. And the last is short answer. Participants fill in the blank with the correct word or phrase. For the next material is example of objective test. The first is multiple choice. The example is LPG gas used for cooking consists of a main mixture of. The point is A. Methane and butane, B. Propane and butane, C. Ethane and methane, D. Hydrogen and oxygen. The answer is B. Propane and butane. And then the example of true-false test. The example is hot air has a greater density than cold air. True or false? The answer is false. And then example of matching test. The question is match the terms in a column A with their definition in column B. In column A, there is 1 LPG, 2 oxygen and 3 nitrogen. In column B, there is A. Gas used as cooking fuel, B. Gas needed by humans to breathe, C. The most abundant gas in the atmosphere. The answer is LPG for gas used as cooking fuel, oxygen for gas needed by humans to breathe, nitrogen for the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. And the last is example of short answer. The question, the process of changing from gas to liquid is called. The answer is condensation. And the next material is advantage and disadvantage of Objective test. Advantage of objective test. There is objective and consistent. Results are not influenced by the examiner's personal opinion. And then, easy to grade, can be marked automatically using computers or scanning systems. And then, covers a broad range of content, can assess multiple aspects of a subject in a short period. And the last is eliminates bias. There is no subjectivity in scoring. Next is disadvantage of objective tests. There is limited in measuring analytical skills, difficult to assess critical thinking and deep analysis. And then guessing factor. Participants may guess answers, especially in multiple choice and true-false tests. And the last is requires careful question design. Poorly written questions can be too easy to guess or misleading. The conclusion is objective tests are an efficient and fair assessment method for measuring cognitive abilities, with various types such as multiple choice, true-false, matching tests, and short answer. These tests are widely used in education and selection process. However, test designers must ensure that the questions assess not only memorization, but also understanding and application of concepts. Maybe that's all from me, and thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.